You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad?
Hey you guys, welcome to this video. If you're new here, my name is Keela Trishawn and I make videos on lifestyle, womanhood, and mental health. I do a lot of vlogs on day in the life, working from home with a toddler, day in the life with a toddler, whatever. So that's some content that interests you. Definitely go on ahead and click on that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any uploads. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. Okay, so today is going to be a little different. I'm actually gonna do a clean with me. For reference, it is Saturday and it's a day when my husband is at work and my son is with his grandmother. So that means that I have the house to myself. So when I have those days, I like to kind of do like a little more of a deep clean. I maintain every day and every weekend, like I'll clean up, but I can do a little bit more of a thorough clean and like get to things that I haven't been able to get to, like dusting and stuff like that throughout the week. So go on ahead and follow along if you are interested. I do have a small apartment, so it's not a whole lot, but when you're getting into it, it can be a lot. So yes, definitely go on ahead and stay tuned. Wait, so one more thing. So before we get into the cleaning and all that stuff, I am gonna go and take off my makeup and change into something more cleaning appropriate, something more comfortable. I got dressed because I'm telling y'all, like I don't have these moments often. So when I have these moments, I like to do a lot of filming. So I just filmed some reels and I did a couple of TikToks. So I will leave my handle for each one of those on the screen here. Definitely go check me out. I like to have fun and just show off my humor for y'all. So yeah, now that I got that done, I am going to, just get prepared to get dirty basically. So I will see y'all in a second. All right, you guys, so I have changed into some comfortable clothes and took my makeup off. So I am ready to go, but I'm starving. So I'm gonna make myself something to eat real quick. I'm probably not gonna film that because I'm literally just gonna make like a sandwich and some chips, eat up real quick and then get started because I have about like 2.5 hours or so to like clean up and get done with this. So I want to hurry up and get started as soon as possible. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so I used a combination of this Clorox cleanup cleaner bleach for the toilet, and then I also put Fabuloso in there, but I'm not going to show y'all that because, you know, it's kind of gross, so I'll be back. Hey you guys, so just popping back in. So I just cleaned the kitchen and the bathroom, and honestly, I was trying to get to the bedroom today, but I'm tired at this point. Like, I'm beat. So I think I'm just gonna do the baby's room, and then I'm gonna do the living room, and that's gonna be it. And then I'll handle our bedroom tomorrow sometime. But I just wanted to kind of talk about the bathroom real quick. So I said in a previous video, like a few weeks ago, when I did like kind of like a short little clean with me within my vlog, that I don't really have a good camera angle for the bathroom because it is a small bathroom. So it's not that I won't clean the toilet on camera, it's just that the only angle I can get is super close, and I just think that that's a little TMI. So basically what I do, like I was saying before, I use like this bleach cleaner, and then I use Fabuloso because it just smells so good. So I clean out the inside of the toilet bowl with that. And then with the actual toilet seat, I use a combination of alcohol soaked like napkins, and I'll use a Clorox wipe. So I use the Clorox wipe like on the, like when you lift the toilet seat, like I use it on the under part of that, and then on the sides and like the actual bowl part at the bottom. That's where I'll use the Clorox wipe, but then the part where you actually sit, I use alcohol. And the reason why I do that is just because, just in case somebody has to use the restroom and the Clorox wipe solution hasn't cleared or dried yet, I don't want like anybody to get like irritation on their butt or thighs or anything like that. And so I just use alcohol because it does, you know, kill germs, and it evaporates really quickly, and God forbid it does get on your skin, it shouldn't irritate you. So as you can see behind me, there is chaos in the baby's room. So I'm gonna go on ahead and clean up here, and then I will be back at the end. Hey you guys, so I am done. I'm like a sweaty mess at this point. I've been cleaning for about 2 hours, and as I was saying earlier, I got the kitchen, I got the bathroom, I got the baby's room, and I got the living room. I really wanted to tackle the whole house today and do my bedroom and just chill tomorrow, but I just don't have it in me at all. I will get that tomorrow. So depending on like where everybody's at and just kind of like how everything is going, I'll try to get that footage for you guys tomorrow and just insert it in this video. But if not, I will definitely capture that next time. If you enjoyed this like clean with me, definitely go on ahead and give me a thumbs up. I am still playing with content and just trying to see what you guys like, and I like to watch Clean with Me, so I figured I would do one in like a small apartment. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely leave some comments below. If you got this far and you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you don't leave without subscribing and checking on that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And with that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
You mad, they don't